Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 charger not working. If your Windows 11 charger is not working, here are some steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. First you need to check the charger and port. Ensure the charger is securely connected to both the power outlet and your laptop. Inspect the charging cable and port for any visible damage or debris. Clean the port gently if needed. And if it is no problem, you can go with second steps. Secondly, you need to run the Power Troubleshooter. To do that, go to Start menu, tap on Setting. If you can't find Setting, just go to Search bar and search for Setting. Then make sure you are in the system in the left side menu. Then in the right side menu, scroll down a little bit. Then you will find Troubleshoot option. Just tap on it and go to Other Troubleshooters. Find the power option here. Scroll down. Yeah, it is right here. Just tap on run. It will be run the troubleshooter related to power. And if there is a problem with that one, it will be identify and let you know. And sometime it will be fix the problem for you. And if it is not working, just close this one. You have to update or reinstall battery drivers. To do that, right click on the start menu. Go to device manager option, expand this one and go to batteries option. It is right here. Double tap on it. Yeah, there are two drivers here. You need to right click on, tap on update driver and choose the first option here, and it says the driver is already installed. Just close this one and do the same thing in the second one also. Sometime you can do right click on it, update driver, and choose the second option, browse my computer for drivers, and choose this one. Let me pick from a list and just select the already installed driver and tap on next. This will be reinstall the already installed driver, and sometime it also help to fix the problem. And if both methods are not working, you have to right click on it, tap on uninstall device, tap on uninstall. This will uninstall your battery driver. Then after you need to restart your computer. Then it will be automatically install the necessary drivers for you. And if that also not working, you have to go to search bar, search for edit power plan. It is right here. Just tap on it. Okay. Now you can see the option called change advanced power option. Just tap on it. Okay, make sure in here plugged in and on battery is configured correctly. In my case, hard disk will be turned off when it is on battery in 10 minutes and plugged in 20 minutes. Just cancel this one if it is properly configured. And other than that, you can update the BIOS in your computer. You can go to BIOS setting by just restart your computer. Then after, press the key F2, F10 or delete. It depends on your computer version. You can find that key in the Google also. Then after, check your battery related option in the BIOS setting and make sure it is properly configured. And if that also not working, you have to test with another charger. To do that, you have to find another charger that is matched with your laptop or computer. Then after, you can test that in your with your computer if it is working or not. If it is working, that means your physical charger has a problem. And other than that, you can inspect the battery. If your laptop has removable battery, just remove that one and clean the contacts and check the physical damages are related with your battery. And you can check your battery with the other same kind of battery. And yeah, these are the 7 methods I have to show you fix your battery related issues. And if you're new to my think this video is helpful, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Thank you very much.